And the last question of GATE Aerospace 2020 is: a low speed uniform flow U naught is incident on an airfoil of chord C in the figure. The velocity profile some distance downstream of the airfoil is idealized as shown for section B. So here you can see the section A and this one is section B. The static pressure at section A and B is the same. The drag coefficient of the airfoil is here is showing static pressure at section A and section B is same. Okay, so uh, we can equate as mass flow rate of section A is equal to mass flow rate of section B, that is rho AV is equal to rho AV, and rho is same, density is same, A1, this one is A1, sorry, this one is A2 at section B, and this one is V naught, then this one is V naught 1, then this one is V naught 2, we can say that. And here you can see this one is 0.995 U naught. Here is given H is equal to 0.995 C. C is the chord. So now we will equate as, the drag force is equal to mass flow rate into V at A minus mass flow rate into V at B. So mass flow rate at A is rho, and we can write area A is equal to, what, H into W, height into width, like that. Okay, this is the area. So H W, and this is the V naught, and this one will be multiplied, which means V naught square minus rho area is for section B C into W, and for section A H into W, and we have V is 0.995 into V naught square for section V. Now what we will do, just simplify this, like rho W is the common, and 0.995 C into V naught square. We can write like this. Here what we have done, this H is equal to 0.995 C, I have just written, and minus this part, here we will write, and finally we just simplify this one, rho W C V naught square into, we take just common rho W C V naught square, and after common this one and this one, it will becomes 4.975 into 10 to the power minus 3. So this is drag force. Now we know that drag coefficient is equal to drag force divided by 1 by 2 rho V square C into W. Okay, for this section. So we just keep drag force is this one, so we just write here rho W C V naught square into 4.975 into 10 to the power minus 3 divided by 1 by 2 rho, and we just write this V is the V naught, rho V naught CW. Now you can see that rho WCV square, rho WVC square, this will be cancelled, and we have 2 will go up, so it becomes 9.95 into 10 to the power minus 3, that is drag coefficient. Finally, we can write like this 0.00995. This is the drag coefficient, round of 3 decimal. So we can write like this 0.0099. So this is the final answer. Okay, so that's it for all 2020 aerospace questions I have solved in 2 videos. So please try to understand yourself if you don't understand, and mm, it is easy to solve all questions. Okay, so best of luck for your next exam. Thank you very much.